Good afternoon. It is the 19th of February. Markets have just closed. It was a negative day for the grain market. It was a positive day for the cotton market. We had some of the outside markets doing very, very well today in commodities. We'll look at those in just a second. The May cotton was up 33 at 72.19. Early in the day, it was up over 80. It got up to 72.77. It sold back off. Got as low as 71.90, but closing at 72.19, up 33. May soybeans down 7. That puts May at 914 and a half, a high of 925, a low of 908 and 3/4. Corn had a bad day. May corn down 4 3/4 at 378. The low was 377. The high was 384 and a quarter. Probably the weakest of all these markets was wheat. The wheat market was down 15 at 492. The low was 489 and a quarter. The high was 505 and a quarter. So we are looking at markets that as we get closer to Friday, we could have actually positive news coming out. So this was a little bit confusing today. Export sales will be updated on Friday, and we will go back and get the last 5 weeks of export sales. It should be a very big number when totaled together. I also feel that there is business taking place. There are trade talks to resume this week in Washington between the U.S. and China, and everything we hear is still very constructive there. So the question is, why are grains breaking down like this? Some of it's profit taking, some of it's spec selling. There might be some rumors out there that they're not going to make enough progress in the trade talks. I don't know, but I think this market, based on what analysts are saying, should find support on the sell-off. We also tested a long-term trend line, got below it, but are closing back above it in soybeans. We took out the 200-day moving average, which I think we're closing right on that. So these are very long-term areas of support, and the market did manage to hang in there today. So we hopefully can see tomorrow the market's firming up more. Look at the outside markets. Crude oil up 30 cents a barrel. The dollar down 44. Now circle that one because that's positive for commodities, and that's a fair move. Gold and silver, very strong. Gold up $21 an ounce. Silver up 22 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now not doing too much. A pretty ho-hum day for the Dow Jones, up 25. That's it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you first thing in the morning.